What is a cloud?
A cloud is a container of information on a certain topic or subject. In other words, a cloud is a topicalized container of information. Thus, it is like a folder. Yet it is not limited to the uses of the standard folder, which can hold only a certain amount of objects. A cloud is beyond a folder, as it can store different data objects in the same container, such as files, emails, contacts, tasks, conversations, and appointments. These data objects are shareable. You can share content in the cloud with whoever you want and control their permissions. These data objects are collaborative. You can describe data objects you share and interact with members of the cloud itself. These data objects are accessible. The cloud can be accessed from anywhere at any time, including your phone. These data objects are secure. No one else can see the cloud unless you give them access, and the cloud contents can be encrypted.
Now let's see how these clouds work. The first thing that you actually see when you log on to R360 is the cloud area, but you can always access these clouds by clicking on the cloud icon on the top left-hand corner of the screen. To create a new cloud, you simply click on the plus sign, or on the bottom of the screen, you can click on plus new cloud. Let's name this cloud Work Projects. The label name is where you can organize your clouds into categories. We can label this as Work. Now let's set a cloud logo. In the description, you want to provide a precise indication of what this cloud relates to. So we can describe this as work-related emails, documents, etc. You as a creator of this cloud can choose which members receive notifications for posts made in the cloud. These notifications are received by email and/or SMS. An owner of a cloud can also choose whether cloud members can invite other people to join in, or whether these cloud members will become direct contacts simply by checking or unchecking these options. In addition to this, you as an owner can provide permission for posts and replies simply by checking this option. The cloud content can be viewed only through secure connection option, is where cloud content is accessed in your own firewall. However, this option is only available for premium members. So now just click on Create a Cloud when you're done and you're ready to share and collaborate. You can send an email related to the project directly from the cloud. You can also invite members into the cloud in order to collaborate, discuss, and share files with them. Since this is a work cloud, you can invite colleagues into the cloud in order to collaborate with them. And if they're not R360 members, you can invite them by email or SMS and ask them to join R360. Sending SMS messages to other members can be very useful on matters related to the project. You can also add reminders to your cloud. So let's say spreadsheet preparation. Later today, remind who, people in work, people in welcome, or me. And then I can also add my mobile phone number and will receive a notification on my phone. Associated with Work Project Cloud, say. So I'm going to receive a reminder at 4 o'clock on my phone. More Actions gives you several options. You can highlight a cloud if it's important. This changes the color of the cloud. You can also merge a cloud with another one, or split the cloud into two separate ones. Changing ownership is a good option. For example, if you were instructed to create a cloud by your employer and then need to transfer the ownership to them, this is the option you need. You can attach any file to R360, images, videos, audios, and also can start a conversation in the cloud. So for example, I want to share a personal project I'm working on. So I post this, and this gives members of the cloud the ability to upload files and also reply to my posts. So then you see I have one reply. So clouds thus become collaborative and interactive folders between you and other members. But one of the strongest features that a cloud has is the advanced search area, where all you have to do is add any keyword, search in messages, in files, in titles, in members. So we see that the system detects rippling touch. And then if you choose to open the file, you can see that the word gentle is actually in the attachment itself. So advanced search in fact allows you to find the exact file, email, discussion you are looking for, even if it's an attachment in the cloud area. You can also tag your posts by using a hashtag and keyword, which will allow you to categorize your posts. So for example, we have a financial document. We can categorize this as accounting statement. So when you click on this, you can see all posts related to accounting. When you click on statement, all posts related to statements. And you can always search for these tags under tags, and the filter is where all these tags are found. Clicking on stay on top allows a post to always be above other posts. So let's say, and then you can notify me when someone reads this post by email, SMS, or by replying to this cloud. So this post will be the first post that all members will see when they enter the cloud. And then following that post will be all recent posts. So it's that easy. All your documents, conversations, emails are securely stored in your cloud. And you can access them anywhere at any time simply by logging on to R360.